Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking scope and platform. This reduces wasted work. Choose Android, iOS, or a cross-platform framework, then commit to voice, text, or hybrid interactions. Once decided, pick whether Core NLP runs on device for latency and privacy or via a cloud API for broader models. Next, initialize your dev environment, create a minimal app shell, and wire a single input channel so you can iterate quickly with real requests. Now you build the assistant brain. Define a concise intent schema and slot entities for essential tasks. This prevents overfitting. Train a compact NLU model or configure cloud intents, then test with varied utterances. Implement a dialogue manager to track state, handle confirmations and fallbacks, and persist context across sessions. Make sure to add synchronous handlers for quick responses and async jobs for longer tasks so the UI stays responsive while processing. Finish by integrating speech components, permissions, and any sensors your assistant needs. This ties voice to action. Once done, exhaustively test user flows and edge cases, profile latency and memory, and optimize heavy models or network calls. Deploy small incremental builds and enable logging and metrics to observe errors in real use. If the assistant fails often, check intent coverage first. Retrain with misclassified utterances, simplify slots, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.